Today I want to show you how I turned these yarns into this checkered knit bag. I started off with some waste yarn on my 22 pin Addi professional knitting machine, cast on, and knitted a few rows of waste yarn. Then I switched to my first color, this dark blue, and knit with that for about 100 rows. Then I switched back to waste yarn and made another couple of rows. Then took the whole panel off the machine. I repeated this process 3 times, so I had 3 long dark blue panels. Next, I made the smaller green panels in exactly the same way, starting with waste yarn, then switching to the green, and with these I made 50 rows each. I made 6 pieces altogether with the green. Next was closing up each panel on both sides and removing the waste yarn. I did the exact same thing both for the blue panels and for the smaller green panels. Now it was time to set it up how it would turn out in the bag, and actually at first I thought I only made 5 green panels, and so I was a bit stuck and put it away for a while until I found that I had made a 6th green panel, and now it'll work out good, so I picked it back up a totally different time and continued on. Next step is folding it in half, and now I'm going to sew up the sides. Once both sides were closed up, now I took a crochet hook and made a row of double crochet around the top to secure all the edges on top. After that was done, I turned it back to the right side. I really love how it came out, but it has a bunch of these gaps from where the panels meet. So if I really want to use it as a bag, I'm going to have to add a lining to it inside. But for now, I'm going to leave it like this, and I love how it looks. Thanks for watching.